Okay, so today I will discuss about reciprocal and dividing fractions. Okay, up to in the last exercise I have discussed about the multiplication. Okay, that means how can we multiply two fractions. Okay, and in the previous chapter we have discussed about the addition and subtraction of the fractions. Okay, so today I will discuss about reciprocal and dividing fractions. It's so easy. First you have to understand what is reciprocal. What is reciprocal? So one thing you have to remember, any number, the multiplication of multiplication of any number and its reciprocal is 1. Multiplication of any number and its reciprocal is 1. So what is reciprocal actually? For reciprocal we have to interchange the positions. To find the reciprocal of any number or fraction, you have to interchange the positions of numerator and denominator. Reciprocal of any fraction or any number is the fraction or number which is opposite to that number. That means suppose you have given any fraction 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3, what is the reciprocal of it? Achha, this is number of fraction, and in this side I will write the reciprocals. So for reciprocal, what did I say? Just listen this line carefully. For reciprocal, denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. That means the positions will be interchanged. So 3 will be our numerator and 2 will be a denominator. So reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 2. So see here, if we multiply 2 upon 3 to 3 upon 2, what we will get? 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 2 is equal to, see, 3 3 cut, 2 2 cut. So only one left. 1. So what did I say? Multiplication of any number and its reciprocal is 1. Number with its reciprocal multiplication is 1. So clear? Okay. And one thing you have to remember, the reciprocal of 1 is 1. The reciprocal of 1 is 1. And reciprocal of any integer number, suppose 7 is an integer number. So what is the reciprocal of 7? Actually, we can write 7 as 7 upon 1. That means for any integer number, I have already said for any integer number, denominator is always 1. If I want to write any integer number in fractional form, then 1 will be our denominator. So what will be the reciprocal? 1 upon 7. So clear? Is this clear? So multiplication of any number or fraction, whatever you say, with its reciprocal is 1. Okay, suppose you have given a fraction 5 upon 7 into dash is equals to 1. You have said 5 upon 7 into dash is equals to 1. Then how can you find this empty digit? How can you find? See, it's easy. What did I say? Any fraction, multiplication of any fraction and its reciprocal is 1. So multiplication of any fraction with its reciprocal is 1. So that means this empty place must be filled with the reciprocal of this fraction. So what is the reciprocal? That will be our result. So it must be 7 upon 5. Reciprocal of 5 upon 7 is equal to 7 upon 5. So this is our result. So clear? When you have to fill any empty place, suppose you have given like that, it is given 10 upon 3 is equals to 1. So what will be the empty place? So we know multiplication, this is the multiplication sign. Multiplication of any fraction with its reciprocal is 1. Here product is 1. That's why I can do this. Here as the product is 1, then I can write the reciprocal of the another fraction. So here is multiplication is 1. So what will be the another fraction? This must be reciprocal of this fraction. So here result is 3 upon 10. Clear? Okay. So reciprocal means numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. That means interchange. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. And one thing you have to remember, reciprocal of 0 is not possible. Reciprocal of 0 is not possible. Reciprocal of 0 is not possible. Okay. And reciprocal of any integer number must be 1 upon that integer number. Okay. So clear? Lastly, I am telling, denominator will be a numerator and numerator will be a denominator for any fraction. Acha, for any mixed fraction, suppose 3 together with 5 upon 7. So first you convert this fraction into improper fraction. So 7 3 21, 5 26 upon 7. Now convert it into reciprocal is equals to 7 upon 26. So clear? When you have given any mixed fraction, then first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then find the reciprocal. So and for reciprocal, denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 and reciprocal of any integer number is 1 upon that integer number. 1 upon that integer number, always numerator 1. For the reciprocal of any integer number, numerator always 1 and denominator must be that number. Clear? I think clear. Okay, next, dividing fraction. Dividing fractions. So how can I do the division between the fraction? It's very easy. So to divide the fraction, acha, first tell me, suppose a divided by b. Here what is the dividend and what is the divisor? Here a is the dividend. And b is the divisor. That means I am dividing a by b. Acha, first I am writing a line, just listen this line. To divide by a number or a fraction. To divide by a number or a fraction, multiply by its reciprocal. To divide by a number or fraction, that means it is a divisor. So multiply by its reciprocal. See, for the division, dividend will not be changed. What will happen? For the division, you have to do the multiplication by its reciprocal. That means divisor will be, you have to find the reciprocal of divisor. Then the sign will be changed. Division sign will be multiplication and multiply with its reciprocal. Not then don't multiply with the divisor. Then first find the reciprocal of divisor, then change the sign or then multiply with the dividend. So for example, just listen this line carefully. To do the division or to divide by a number or a fraction or a fraction, multiply by its reciprocal. That means here I have to divide a by b, a divided by a by b. So then dividend will be same, dividend will not be changed, but you can do it, multiply by its reciprocal. Multiply by its means divisor's reciprocal. That means divisor will be you have to find the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply with the dividend. That will be your result. That means first change the sign. If you change the sign, then divisor will also be changed. You have to write the reciprocal of the divisor, 1 upon b. Clear? For example, so see, listen this line carefully. Dividend will not be changed, but divisor will be changed. That means you have to multiply with the reciprocal of the divisor. if you want to find the division, then you have to do the multiplication with the reciprocal of the divisor. Multiply with the reciprocal of divisor. Okay, this is simple line. Multiply with the reciprocal of the divisor. See, here a divided by b, b is the divisor. So what have I done? A into 1 by b. That means I have done the multiplication. Multiplication with what? With the reciprocal of divisor. Here divisor is b and 1 upon b is the reciprocal of b. So I have done the multiplication with the reciprocal of the divisor. So that means division means multiplication, but multiplication with what? Multiplication with reciprocal of the divisor. Clear? Okay. Okay, so for example, suppose you have given 2 divided by 3. Then what will you do? 2 into, again I am saying, dividend will not be changed. Dividend will not be changed. Okay, only divisor will change. Is equals to 2 upon 3. Clear? Okay, next. 3 upon 25 divided by 9 upon 5. Okay. Okay, so dividend will not be changed. So write the dividend as given, as it is given, into check the sign. Here there was division, but I have changed it into multiplication. That's why I have to find the reciprocal, or I have to do the multiplication with the reciprocal. Now it will not be 9 up by 5 more, it will be 5 upon 9. Reciprocal of 9 upon 5 is 5 upon 9. So now do the process, or convert it into the lowest term. So 3 is a 9, 5 is a 25. Is equal to 1 into 1, 5 into 3, 15. So 1 upon 15 is the result. So tell me, is it clear to you? Okay. Okay. So I think you can do any sums. Any sum. Okay. And I have also given some examples. Okay. Here you see reciprocal of 3 is 1 upon 3. Because this is integer number. So that's why I have multiplied with 1 upon 3. Okay. So is it clear? I hope you can do it. Okay, so again I am telling to find the division. Dividend will not be changed, but you have to multiply with the, for the division you have to multiply with the reciprocal of the divisor. That means division actually multiplication, but multiplication of the reciprocal of the divisor. Clear, student? Okay. So that means to divide a number or a fraction, multiply by its reciprocal. See, here I have done this. See, here I am to divide 3 upon 25 by 9 upon 5. 3 by 25 by 9 upon 5. So I am to divide 3 by 25 with, or by 9 by 5. So to divide by a number. So what is the number here? 9 by 5. Multiply by its reciprocal. So it means reciprocal of this fraction. So what is the reciprocal of this? 5 upon 9. So you have to multiply with 5 upon 9 with 3 upon 25. So then, and the sign will be changed. So to find the division, you have to do the multiplication with reciprocal of this number. That means reciprocal of divisor. Dividend will not be changed. Clear? So I hope you can do the sums. Okay, so students, do the rest of the sums or do the homework yourself. Okay, thank you.